Newsletter, drag and drop, or rather hard-coded? In this video, I'll explain the differences and help you decide which approach is best suited for your needs.
Superhacks, the HubSpot experts. Presented by WPWA Digital.
Hey, I'm Marcel, media designer at WPWA Digital. As an official Platinum partner, we support you with everything related to HubSpot. What is a drag-and-drop newsletter? It allows you to easily create newsletters by dragging and dropping content blocks into the design. No coding skills are required. Everything is visual. This saves time and is ideal for beginners or those who want quick results. With HubSpot, you can insert text, images, buttons, and other elements directly into the design and preview them live. Advantages of the drag-and-drop editor. The biggest advantage of the drag-and-drop editor is its user-friendliness. You can quickly create appealing newsletters without any technical knowledge. The editor also ensures that your designs look great across different devices, as it automatically adjusts to various screen sizes. What's especially handy is that you can make changes right in the view without touching any code. This makes it easy to create responsive templates. Disadvantages of the drag-and-drop editor. One downside of the drag-and-drop editor is that design options can be somewhat limited, especially if you need very specific layouts or advanced functionality. While the editor offers many options, there are situations where you can't achieve the same level of detail as with a hard-coded solution. Additionally, load times can be slower, especially for complex designs with many elements. Enjoying the video so far? Then show it with a like. If you don't want to miss any more HubSpot content, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. What is a hard-coded newsletter? Now let's talk about the hard-coded method. With this approach, you manually create the newsletter using code. This means you write or adjust the entire code yourself to achieve the desired design. The benefit here is complete control over the layout. Every detail can be customized exactly as needed. However, this is also much more time-consuming and requires coding skills, making the implementation more complex. Advantages of hard-coded newsletters. The hard-coded method offers maximum flexibility. You can create very complex designs that would be difficult or even impossible to realize with a drag-and-drop editor. Disadvantages of hard-coded newsletters. Major downside of the hard-coded approach is that it's very time-intensive and technically demanding. You need in-depth knowledge of coding to ensure the newsletter displays correctly across all devices and email clients. Another drawback is that making design changes takes much longer as each detail must be edited manually. The ideal combination. There's actually a third option that combines both methods, creating specific elements with code that can be placed using drag and drop. However, this requires expertise, as not all email clients display the design as intended. Therefore, the layout should be tested by experts beforehand. Conclusion and recommendation. In summary, if you want to create an appealing newsletter quickly and without technical expertise, the drag-and-drop editor in HubSpot is the best choice. Here you can watch our tutorial about it. However, if design and full control over every detail are important and you have the necessary coding skills, then the hard-coded approach is more suitable. Both methods are valid and the choice depends on your specific needs. In most cases, the combination of both methods is the ideal solution. If you need help creating newsletters, feel free to reach out to us. For this, scan the QR code or click the link in the video description.